So, a very good morning to everyone. So, today we start a new topic, chapter number 11, mensurations. So, in mensurations, we have to talking about the plane figures and their areas. Okay, plane figures. So, just I recalled some formulas of those you study in a previous class. First of all, rectangle. So, when you find the rectangle plane figure, surface area of this area, so the area of rectangle formula is L into B, length into breadth. This is called length and this is called breadth. Okay, and the second figure is square. The area of the square formula is side into side, because all sides are equal. Okay. Then third, area of triangle. Area of triangle. Suppose right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means like this way. Okay. So area of triangle, right angle triangle. The formula is half into base into height. Or suppose it is equivalent triangle. So the area of triangle root 3 upon 4 into side square. Okay. So there we will find out the surface of this plane figure. Okay. Then next is circle. So circle, you know, radius is there. So area of circle, the formula is pi r square. Okay. Now we have in this class, in this section, we have to study about two new plane figures. That is, one is the trapezium. Trapezium, you know that we already studied in chapter number 3rd. The two sides are parallel, trapezium, and this is the height. Okay. So area of trapezium. The formula is half into sum of parallel side. This is called parallel side. Suppose A, B, C, D. So A, B is parallel to C, D. Okay, so these two sides are parallel sides, A, B and C, D. So what is the formula of area of trapezium is sum of parallel side, means A plus B into this height, half into sum of parallel side into height. Then rhombus. Rhombus, you know already. This is like a square. All sides are equal, but in a square each angle is 90 degree. But here it's not like that. Okay. So area of rhombus, we have two formula. One is suppose the base is given and height is given. So we use the formula base into height. Area of rhombus, base into height. And another formula is same, area of rhombus the formula is half into diagonal 1 half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Half in diagonal 1, diagonal 2, suppose it is rhombus. So we have two diagonals. Okay, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. So in rhombus of 2, we have two formula. One is the base into height and one is the half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Means product of diagonals. Product of diagonals, and what is the formula is base into height. Okay. Okay, So we see the now next our exercise first 11.1. The first question is a square and a rectangle, two field is given. Field with a measurement as given in the figure has the same perimeter. These two figures, one is the square, this is square, and this is rectangle. Okay, so has given in the figure has the same perimeter which field has a larger area. So they said these two figure, different figure, one is the square field and one is the rectangle field. Both the figure perimeter is same. Normal, the dimension is different, but their perimeter is same. So now thereafter we find the area of both the field and then compare which is the larger area. So what's up first? The side of a square is given. Side of a square is 60 meter. So the formula is side into perimeter of the square. The formula is 4 into side, means 4 into 60. 4 is 24, 240 meter. Okay, then we find the area of a square. Area of a square is formula is side into side. Okay, side into side is 60 into 60. 60 is 3600 square meter. Perimeter rectangle formula is 2L plus B. It is already given 240. Rectangle length is 80 plus breadth. Breadth is not given, breadth is find out. So 240 is divided by 2 first. 80 plus B. Then 2 1 2 2 2 4, 120. So breadth is 120 minus 80. So breadth is 120 minus 80 is 40 meter. Okay, breadth is 40 meter. Now we find the area of rectangle. The formula is L into B. The length is 80, so breadth is 40. 0 0. 4 is 32. So 3200 meter square. So which area is greater? Area of a square. 306 meter square is greater to 3200 meter square. So area of square is larger than area of rectangle. Okay? Okay, this is our third question. The question is the shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle. This is the shape of a garden field. The middle portion is rectangular field and the two end points. This is the semicircular. So if two semicircle if you join, it is prepare a one circle. Okay. So we have to find out the total area of this field and total perimeter of this field. So together we cannot find. So individually first of all we find the first perimeter of a rectangular part, then area of rectangular part, then perimeter of a square semicircular part, and then area of semicircular part. Then after we have to add. So first of all we go to the two end part, means semicircular part. So for semicircular part. So semicircular part, first of all, you see the diameter is given 7 meter. So radius is 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2. Now, the first is perimeter of semicircular part. Perimeter of semicircular part. So you see that here is 2 endpoints, 2 semicircle is there. So perimeter of circular part formula is pi r. Perimeter of circular part, not semicircular part. Perimeter of circular part formula is 2 pi r, but it is semicircular, so it is divided by 2. Then how many semicircular part? 2 semicircular part. So multiply by 2 also. So now 2 is cut. Then 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7, and radius is 7 by 2. Radius is 7 by 2. So 2 11 is 22, 7 is cut. So 22 meter. This is the perimeter of 2 semicircular part. One this, second is this. Then area of 2 semicircular part. Semicircular part. The formula is, actually area of circular part formula is pi r square. But here is, we find a semicircular, so we divide it by 2 and multiply by 2. Okay, so again 2 is cut, so it is pi r square. Okay, pi is 22 by 7, r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, 7 is cut, 2 11 22, 77 by 2, 77 divided by 2 is 2 3 is 6, 1, 2 7 is 14, 7 is 4 5 6 7 3, 2 is 16 is it? 2 is 16, sorry, 2 is 16, 1 0 10 to 10, 38.5 meter square. This is the area of 2 semicircular part. So please write down area of circular part 38.5, perimeter is 22 meter. Now we graph. Please copy this if you want to copy. So now we are talking about the area of circular part. Rectangular part. For rectangular part. Rectangular part, so 2 dimensions is main, one is the length, one is the breadth. So length of a rectangular is, it is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. Means 20 minus 7 is 13 meter. Then next is breadth. Breadth is 7 meter. Okay. Length is 13 meter. Breadth is 7 meter. Now find the first of all perimeter of rectangular part. So in rectangular part the formula is in a rectangular part, you see that middle part is the middle portion is the rectangular part. So that's why we take it on the length is 13 meter, but breadth we assume here 0, because that portion will be covered by the semicircular portion. Okay, so that's why breadth is not given. So we write here breadth is 0. So 2 into 13, 26 meter. This is the perimeter of rectangular part. Then area of rectangular part is L into B. Length is 13 and breadth is 7. So 721 to 91 meter square. Okay, so this is the area of rectangular part and perimeter of rectangular part. Both we find out. Now final is we have to find out the area of the figure. So area of the figure is area of two semicircle circular part plus area of rectangle. So area of two semicircle part area is 38.5 plus 91. So 8.5, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 2, 10, 11, 12 meter square. This is the area of total figure. And perimeter of figure is perimeter of figure. Perimeter of semicircular part plus perimeter of rectangle part. So semicircular part is the area is perimeter is 22 meter and perimeter of rectangle part is 26. So 48 meter. Okay. So this is the two final answers. Area of figure, perimeter of figure. Please copy this. Okay. So good morning everyone. So here we are talking about the exercise 11.2. The first question is this exercise is based on the area of trapezium and area of rhombus. These two new plane shape figure that we have to study in this topic. The shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Okay, top portions. It is a trapezium shape like this way. And find its area. It is parallel sides are 1 meter. So parallel sides is one is the 1 meter is given and one is again the 1.2 meter. And the height is given 0.8. Okay, so what is solving? So area of trapezium formula is half into sum of parallel sides into distance of a parallel sides. So side A, parallel side, okay, 1 meter. Side B means side parallel side 2, 1.2 meter. Area of trapezium. The formula is half into sum of parallel side P1 plus means A plus B. A plus B into height. So it is 1 plus 1.1, 1.2. Height is 0.8 is given. Sum of parallel side half into 1 plus 1.2 is 2.2 into 0.8. Now do the cancellations. 0.4. 2 0 0, 2 4 ja 8. Now point cut, so it is 10. 0.4 points cut, so it is 4 by 10. So 20 into 4, so it is 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8. Means 88. 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8. 88. 10 into 10 is 100. So answer is 0.88 meter square. 0.88 meter square. 10 10. So denominator is 100. So decimal form is use 100. 80 divided by 100. So it is 0.88 meter square. Okay. Okay. So here the question of fifth. The diagonals of a rhombus is given. Rhombus, suppose like this figure, two diagonals. A, B, C, the side is given. To one diagonal is given 7.5 centimeter. Second diagonal is 12 centimeter. And we find the area of rhombus. Area of rhombus, the formula is, I said two formula. One is the base into height, and second is the half into product of diagonals, diagonal 1 plus diagonal 2. Diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Half, diagonal 1 is 7.5, diagonal 2 is 12. 2 is 12. 7.5 is multiplied to 6. 6 5 30. 7 is 42. 42 plus 3, 45. 45 meters square. Okay, this is the area of rhombus.